Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Squarespace SEO basics for US local search detailed guide step by step clearly. To improve your Squarespace site's SEO for local search in the US, begin by logging into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu and select the Pages section. Choose the page you want to optimize for local search. Click on Edit to access the page settings. Scroll down to the SEO section in the page settings. Enter a clear and concise SEO title. Use keywords relevant to your local area and services. Next, fill out the page description with targeted keywords. Make sure your description reflects the content of the page. After updating the SEO title and description, click Save. Now, go to the main menu and select Settings. In this section, ensure the search engine indexing option is enabled. This helps search engines find and index your site effectively. Next, navigate back to the Settings menu and click on Location. Enter your business address accurately to improve local search relevance. Make sure to use the correct format as per Google's requirements. After entering your address, click Save to confirm the changes. Now, create and optimize a contact page if you haven't already. Include your business name, address, phone number, and operating hours. Consistency is key, so make sure this information matches what is on other platforms. Next, integrate Google Maps on your contact page. To do this, go to the Insert menu and choose Map. Input your business location to display it correctly. Additionally, consider creating blog posts that are relevant to your local audience. Use local keywords in the titles and content of these posts. Encourage engagement by asking local questions and inviting comments. Next, focus on building backlinks from local websites. Reach out to local businesses or community organizations to collaborate. You can guest post or exchange links to increase visibility. Finally, use the Squarespace Analytics tool to track your performance. Monitor your traffic and search rankings to see how your efforts are paying off. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.